trailer, and we are going to load the S2000 up and head up there. So it's going to be exciting, that's for sure. There we go. It's going to be very exciting. I'm very nervous. I haven't done a track event in a while, but it should be fun. It'll be fun. I will have a good time. Manifest, I will have a good time. So got the S2000 loaded up. So yeah. Okay, we did it. We did it. Haven't even been to the track yet. Jesus. What's going on, guys? Angel here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to strap the wrong way. That's scary. Oh, never mind, I see the hook. What about this one? Huh? Well, that one. Look at your exhaust. Right to the muffler. This is why I want to do it. That's scary.
The problem is if we tighten this down a little bit, it's okay.
That's what I'm saying. That's the way it looked to me. Oh, you're playing with fire, buddy. Oh yeah. It might not, huh? I think? So. Ain't going nowhere. That ain't going nowhere.
And cream. Cool. So this is a 79, but in 78, that was finally the first year that you could get a factory installed receiver hitch on this. Imagine that. You can actually get a truck that you can tow stuff with. Cool. Notably, this one does not have that option.
We are.
This has an aftermarket tow bumper. Now I'm going to try to run that in with the impact. Let's get it started. The other side of the screwdriver should be picked out. Hopefully. So I got to call out again. And then check. So I got to line the front up.
What if he's trick-or-treating with his helmet on?
This
You can
is
see
a
that.
bad idea.
What's this? Because
It's too late now. We're here.
What
What are you doing?
God dang it, dude. I ain't got a
So-
parking brake or anything. You didn't tell me this thing was on a hill.
We'll see.
Chris, this was stupid. There he is right there. He's acting like he's somebody.
That's his dad.
Tell him he's an idiot too.
His dad's a very nice man. Tell him you said that. Oh, we made it. Look at him all fighting. He's all suited up. Look at this. Yeah, we want blue. I'm glad you washed your car.
I don't have blue. I've got yellow and I've got pink.
That's alright. Because even if you mix those, I think that's green. Teehees. Teehees.
Because the gas at the track is like, yeah, I bet.
$10, $11.
Isn't this neat? Look at that.
Yeah, it's awesome.
You see me. Bloody.
So we got this guy, and then those wheels. So you want this cool?
This, tell me, does this not look like an old skate video? You're like,
Like a fish shot?
yeah. We made it to the motel. Or no. Our humble abode. Where the magic happens. Where the real magic happens. Dun, 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 dun. That was scary. Somebody was there. Over here. Ooh. There's a badass van with an EF hatch on it. Sick. Here's a Mickey D's for breakfast. Oh, Starbucks is right there too. We made it. We freaking made it, brother. We freaking made it. Excuse me. I hope nobody messes with the car. Please. Please, nobody mess with the car. Oh. It's cold. Alright, God willing. It doesn't rain. It don't. We might not get back in. That's where the magic happens in this room.
Hey, tell the guy if we fix the lock, can we stay in for free?
I have my bag with my Houdini.
What does this button do?
Outside light.
Come on, up here.
I don't know about that. Oh, it's not bad. It's not great. Oh. You just knocked out. Hi. Oh, is that your...
Huh? Yeah.
What is that? You got yours, I got mine, brother. Alright. Till in the morning. I'll go ahead and film a little bit on here. Well, we've made it to... So we are going to do our track event. Holy moly. Into? Damn, dude. Nice. There's a lot of cool cars. So we've made it up here. I have some footage. Damn, my camera's dirty. This is look like it's alright. Not much to say. I'm cold. I'm hungry. I didn't sleep good. I was a little too excited to try to sleep, but yeah. See how it goes.
Welcome
Drivers and fans.
We're at the Rebels. Dude, you just made nice. Look at that sky. Nice brisk.
Feels like it's in the 30s. 16 degrees right now.
Yeah. That's 2000. That's 2000. How nice. Here we are. Here we are. The excitement's real. Turn one over there. Gosh, from watching all these videos to now, it's happening. It is happening. It is a cold morning, I'll say that. So let me see. I think that's 6 over there. You come down 7, back up low 8. Here, this is I think that's tabletop way down there. Yep. This is exciting. We are here. Okay, just a quick video. I am waiting in line to get started on track. Oh, you see Kyle? He cut that turn way too fast. We're cheersing. Yee! Loaded up, great expansion. And we're headed out of here. Okay, I have made it home after the long event. Let's do maybe this way. What a freaking blast. What a freaking blast. The car did great. I'm very proud of myself, and I highly recommend that you go and do a track day, because it's been since 2017 since I last did one. Awesome. We did great. So hopefully I have enough content on this GoPro that I can at least make some sort of video. Peace.